this video tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to use the pen tool again. In our previous video, I showed you how to cut out this basketball and delete the background. And now we are going to use the pen tool to select areas and then fill them with color. So I have my layer is unlocked, and I'm going to now go, and I'm just zoomed in so I can see a little bit more with accuracy. And I'm just going to go over and make sure that my pen tool is on. You can either have it on the pen tool or the curvature pen tool, depending on what you're cutting out. So I'm actually just going to go back and zoom in a bit more so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to go back to my pen tool and I'm going to complete the circuit. And there it is. I've closed the path. So now I'm going to, I can just actually right click this, and I've got a few options here, and I'm going to choose make a selection and then just press OK. So now we have our marching ants. Then we're going to go across and select our base, make sure that our base layer is selected. I'm going to go over to edit. I'm going to go to copy. So what we're doing is finish cutting that out. What we've done so far is then cut that out, right click, make a selection, and just always make sure that you're highlighted your layer. Then we're going to go to edit, and we've done that, we've copied. Then we're going to go across to layer, because we're going to make a whole new layer for this L shape that I have here. I'm going to go to layer, new, and layer via copy. So now if I take that away, we can see that my L has been cut out and has its very own layer. But if I get rid of this layer, we can see that the original image has not been changed or altered. Cool. So now what we're going to do is we just want to color in this L, okay? Something like a bit more bright and colorful, I'm thinking. So what we're going to do is, it's a lot easier now just to use the quick selection, just to select everything on this one layer here, okay? So the quick selection tool is easier now because there's no other parts, and we have a nice clean line that has been cut out with our pen tool. And very simply now, we're just going to go right click and choose the fill button. Now it always says color. You always have to reselect color for some reason. Yeah, let's choose this beautiful green that I already have selected. I'm just going to press OK. And there you have it. There is our L, but in a cool color. So now I'm just going to deselect that. And it has its very own layer now. So I can still see underneath it if I wanted to keep the original layer. And there is the green L sitting on top of it. So I might call it green L. It's always really important to rename and change your layer names. Great. I'm just going to do another one now, I believe. And I'll show you how to get rid of, say, if you're doing, sorry, I meant to zoom in. So with this D, you might be wondering, how would you do that? Okay. So first of all, we're just going to start off with our whole shape. Just do the whole area first to begin with. I've just got the normal pen tool on at the moment. So that's why I need a few more anchor points. Oh. Okay, so we're still going to do the same thing. Right click, make a selection, go OK, edit, copy. And I didn't have the right layer selected, so that's what happened. You need to make sure you have the right layer selected, otherwise it comes up with that error. Click copy, now that worked that time. And then I'm going to create a new layer with our new selected area. So as you can see that I now have a D. Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my quick selection tool, and on that layer, I am going to now right click, fill. I'm going to choose a color. I can always choose one of my swatches if I wanted to as well. And press OK. So as you can see now, I have a whole D there selected, but it's all in that area. So what I'm going to do now is on that layer, I'm actually going to deselect. And I am going to just actually cut out, making sure I'm on the right layer. I'm actually going to make a selection again. Okay. Now when I go and turn my visibility back on, sorry, you were supposed to do that first. Turn up your visibility. And if you just press delete, there it is. So that's how you would do that for all of your, sorry, I didn't mean to press filter gallery. I meant to press deselect. And that is how you would get rid of the inside bit of your letters. So I want you guys now to have a go at using the pen tool and right-clicking and filling it, following these steps. And yeah, you can fill the whole basketball if you'd like, or just start with these letters and have a practice, as you'll need this for your assessment task.